All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And what we do on the channel is we find ways to make money online, whether it be with affiliate marketing, network marketing. We do some trading here and there. But we pass those on to you so that you can do the same. Now, today, we are going to work on our daily Clickbank series. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month. See how long it takes us to do that using a simple copy and paste method. I'm going to show you what that is in just a second. Keep in mind, all the links are below. So there is a link for MLGS to get joined up. And I do show how you can reap the benefits for yourself and daisy chain your accounts. So that'll be a good thing for you to learn. And also there is a Google Doc below this video with these emails already in it, so that it's more convenient. You can just pull them right from the document instead of having to go to Clickbank every day, unless you want to do that. Either way is fine. Just do it for convenience. So do me a favor, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a like on this video if you find any value in it. I hope you do. And we're going to continue on this series right here. So as always, let's go jump into our Clickbank account and check some stats. Today is day 37 of the series. So really we've got 3 more days. Well, let's see, we'll have, 3 more days of this offer. And then we're going to go and find a new offer. So let's just take a look real quick and see what's available. Get prepared for that. We've already done this one. We just started at the top. We're on this one now. And yep, here it is. So next we'll have this one. And a lot of these have been the same company, just different offers. So we're going to run this one next. That'll be our plan. Looks like they've got affiliate tools. Let's see if they've got emails. That's what we've been doing. We've been finding these offers with emails ready to go for us so that all we have to do is copy and paste. And here's the emails. Yes, they have 20. So that'll be our next 20 emails that we send using this copy and paste system. We're not going to write the emails ourselves. We're just going to go in here, pull them. I will do the same thing. I will have these in a Google Doc right below this video, and you'll be able to just go pull these emails right from your document, and you'll be able to make your hop link right on the bottom. I'll have all this in the document. What that does, putting them in the document like that, what that does is the Google Doc will check it for grammar, punctuation, and spelling for us. And it'll kind of run through, it'll indicate any issues so we can correct those before we put it in the mailing system, because the mailing system we use does not proofread those for us. So we'd want to do that first. That's why we do that. And it's really convenient just to have those ready to go. So that's what we're going to do next. Let's go ahead and go back to, let me get out of here. And we'll just go back into here and just look at some stats right quick. All right, looks like it's been a couple days since we made a sale actually, but those emails, those last couple of emails, I wasn't real impressed with. Hopefully there's some better emails on the next promotion. Now we could go in there, we could write some new emails, but that would defeat the purpose of this entire series. So we're going to continue on. Persistence and consistency is key. So today we've had 132 hops to our link, so visits to our link. And let's see for the period. We always just check stats so we know where we stand. All right, so hops to our link, we've had 6,382. So you can see how this is building here. With this is still on just the second offer, and this is overall. So you can see how those leads building in there is really jumping up our numbers in our leads and our clicks to our link, because those are being those leads are being dumped in there every single day for us. And now with the bonus leads, we're getting an additional 100 leads a day on some of those accounts. Okay, so we've had 10,121 visits to our link. We've had 98 total visits to the order form, and we've made 5 sales here. So we're still sitting at 5 sales and 85.21. We should be coming up on another sale pretty quick here. Going by what these stats were looking like before, we will just find out very soon. So let's jump into my lead gen secret and go ahead and send our email for today. Day 37 is today. So again, you don't need to worry about any of these. You just click on mailing system. Don't need to worry about this. So I will talk about this. So all this does, it just shows you, if you go in here, it shows you the partner leads, kind of where they came from, right? It doesn't show you. You can dive into this further if you want to. You can select a few if you want to. I wouldn't. Just leave it here and select all, because you're always going to want to email all your leads, because that is the entire point of having this system. So you're getting all those leads dumped in there. So today on this account, we're mailing 7,500. And sorry, my phone. Let's grab our subject. So Control C, Control V to paste. And then we'll go grab our email body with the hop link. Now Control C, Control V, and let me move myself here. There we go. I'm gonna take this down from all bold. And in here, we're going to have our short code for the mailing system. It's going to be right here. First name, Control C, Control V, comma. We're going to come down. We've been bolding these options here. We'll continue that. And we're going to put our name right there. And then, of course, you need set up your link right here. There's mine. Then we'll do a quick highlight, Control C to copy. And let's see where to put our link. So we'll put it on this line again. And let's go ahead and bold that. And right here. So a lot of these were the same spot on these. And that's fine, no big deal. We're going to bold this, and then we're going to bring that up one size. Or you can bring it up as big as you want. I'm going to bring it up one size. Okay, so this one is for hiring Instagram users, $240 a day. I think this is a pretty good one. I like the subject line. I think that's going to get attention. We could use the pre-header. It does have a pre-header of $30 per hour regular work, but I don't think we're going to do that on this one. So I think we're ready. Let's just go Control C and send it. And then we'll be ready for the next one. We'll just duplicate. Log out and log into our next right there. So mailing system, select all, come all the way down. So we've already got our email. I'm going to highlight, Control V, perfect timing, go up to subject, Control C, Control V. Come all the way down, grab our email again for our next account and send it. There we go. We'll go to our other account. So log out, then log into number 3. Mailing system, select all the way down, highlight, Control V, perfect timing. Subject, we'll go grab from our document. There's our subject. We're going to go ahead and grab this email, Control C, and send it. All right, and then we move on to our next account. We're going to log out and log into number 4. There we go. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V to paste our email. Perfect timing. All the way up to subject line. Control C, Control V. Come down, grab our email again, Control C, and send. Now we're ready for our last one. Okay, then we're going to swap tabs again. Log out. Log into number 5. So mailing system, select all. And this will be the last email. So it's our last account. Subject line, Control C, Control V, all the way down, send. So now we've done our work for today, if this is all we're doing, right? Now, this isn't all I'm doing. I'm working on, we've got a lot of different projects going on. But this is an easy way to start, just bringing in a little bit of income on the side. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it really quickly, very easily. Doesn't take that much time at all, and it's all copy and paste and done. So what I would like to say while I'm here, while you are here on the channel, check out this new series here, how to earn fast and easy money step by step. This is a new program we have started working with, doing really well. We had a meeting with them yesterday. It's getting huge. So you definitely want to get in on this. It is cheap to buy into, and it's been a really good company. I also did get my supplements, and they're great. We really like them. I will add a video in here on the product itself, maybe the next few days, and it may not be in this training series, but it'll be here on the channel. So if you want to check that out, please do. Once again, we appreciate you being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Make sure to ring the bell so that you get all my videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.